Hello, everyone, and welcome to Our Ventura TV. I'm Sandra Siepak. On today's show, I'd like to welcome Isabel Gomez. She is with the Ventura Public Health Department here in Ventura County. And I'd like to thank you so much, Isabel, for joining us on the show today.
Sandra, I appreciate you taking some time to let us share what we have for this resource that we have for the community.
Very good. With many focused on health and a fresh start for the upcoming new year, setting goals is always important, and having a healthier lifestyle. And one thing that many people will try to do is quit smoking. So wellness is very important to a lot of people in that regard. And the Ventura County Public Health Department is here to help. And they are sponsoring a Call It Quits program, which is a no smoking program offering tools and resources to residents here. And it's a huge step for this program to help you out. So we are looking forward to you telling us more about it and all that you and your team are doing.
Yes, it's true. There's no better gift that we can give ourselves than to do the best to make sure that we live a healthy lifestyle. And not a lot of residents or Ventura County community knows that we have been here actually for a very long time.
Okay.
And it's a great program to be able to share, and we're ready to give as much information as we can.
Good. The important thing is we want to address your target audience and who will be some of the people that you will want to help initially. I understand one of the target audiences is youth. So I'd like you to focus a little bit on that too.
Yes. So we want this resource to be for everyone, but we especially are looking at our youth because they are being targeted by the tobacco companies with their advertising, with the way they market their products, the flavoring. And we really want to educate our youth and let them know that these products are not the best for our health.
Right.
And once we start, it's hard to stop.
Extremely hard. Very hard. Yes. So tell us more about the program itself and how you're going to be helping people and what it entails and how people can be a part of that.
So we strongly believe that no one program fits all.
Okay.
So it's a very personalized program. You call in, we have a conversation, what has worked in the past, what hasn't worked, and we make a plan that's very personalized that is for the individual, and we look at the resources that are available to make sure that we exhaust all of them, so the person who is calling in seeking these resources, seeking this help, gets as much support as possible.
Okay. Yeah, because tobacco is a leading cause of preventable illness all across the board. I mean, it really reduces the risk of cancer and respiratory illness, especially. So we want to know how some of these key program benefits, personalized as you're mentioning, will make a difference for each individual.
I think a lot of people don't realize that as soon as they make this decision and quit using these products, the body automatically goes into healing mode. So within the first couple of minutes, a person's lung starts saying, okay, let's clean out, let's take care of ourselves, that kind of thing. It affects, like you said, our heart health. It improves drastically. Within a year, it goes, our risk of having coronary heart disease goes to half of that of a smoker. In 10, 15 years, it's the same as somebody who is a non-smoker. Wow. So just thinking about those health benefits is something that we share with the people who call in and seek these resources, just so that they have an idea of how important it is.
Yeah, I was really amazed to hear how soon after you stop smoking some of these changes occur. I mean, some of these things really are so beneficial early on. like you said, many people may not realize that, this could happen. Um, but stopping smoking, stopping that cycle is really, really hard for many people, especially if they've smoked a long time. Is there a nicotine replacement therapy program or any type of program available to people? Cost, no cost? What happens there?
There is nicotine replacement therapy that's available.
Okay,
As our program does not provide it, but we do work with different programs throughout the state, throughout the county. We will work with insurances, make sure that the people are well informed about these different
good.
therapies and what would work best for them.
Okay, that's good. What about, it is a community-wide project program, and a very good effort on the public health department to focus on so many people that need the help. Um, do you offer presentations in both English and Spanish and that type of thing? Also, educating public places and housing developments about how this could be healthier for everyone overall.
Definitely. So our program is the Tobacco Education and Prevention Program. And
Okay,
under that program is where Call It Quits it lives. And what we do is we not only offer resources or support with for somebody who's wanting to quit using tobacco products, but we do also offer community presentations in both English and Spanish for parents, for community groups. We know and we also go out to the community. So we'll table
right,
at health fairs or different community events because we know how important it is to make an educated decision to better ourselves and to have live a life as healthy as possible.
good. What about schools? Do you educate the youth in schools as well, or after school programs?
So we do go in and we do the education for parents.
Oh,
The
good.
Office of
Okay,
Education is the one who is in charge of educating our students here in the county.
okay, good. And like we were saying, prevention is key. It's key for a healthier community overall, to help individuals to quit and stop that cycle before it begins, especially with youth. How can residents get more information on the Ventura Public Health Program?
So we are available on the Ventura County Public Health website where you can
Okay,
find all of the different services, all of the different programs that are available through the health department. But you can also reach us directly. We have it is a website called
okay,
smokefreevc.org. On there,
good,
you can get resources, information about our program, or even contact us through there. But we also know that there's some people who still want that immediate one-on-one connection. So we
right,
also have a phone number. Our
okay,
phone number where we can be reached is 805-201-STOP. So that would be 805-201-7867.
great. And what about counseling programs? Is there anything, like you were saying, some like an individual type program? What if somebody really wants some counseling? Is that available to them as well?
Yes, so we have trained staff who will speak one-on-one with individuals, help
Okay,
them, support them, guide them through their quit plan, and do work together as a team to make it a successful quit attempt.
good. In closing, what would you like to say to viewers about the Call It Quits program?
I would want them to know that quitting tobacco use is difficult,
Yes,
and those who you will come into contact with at our program understand that. So we're there to support you, whether it is quit attempt number 1 or quit attempt number 10.
okay,
We see that we know that it's difficult, but resources and support is out there to help you be successful.
very good. I want to thank you so very much for giving us more information on the Call It Quits program that Ventura County Public Health is bringing to so many residents here.